Hello guys, welcome back. Are you tired of typing notes during meetings? Well, what if I told you there is an AI that could do it for you? Let's dive into Otter.ai guys and see if it's worth your money. Otter.ai is an AI tool that listens to your meetings and writes everything down for you. It works in real time so you can watch words appear on screen as people talk. Think of it as having a super fast typist in every meeting. Here's what makes Otter.ai special. First, it gets about 95% of words right. That's pretty good for a robot. Second, it knows who's talking. The AI can tell different voices apart and labels each speaker. Third, it makes summaries automatically. No more reading through pages of notes to find the important stuff. Using Otter is simple. Join a meeting, click record, and it does the rest. You can also upload audio files later, and the AI works with Zoom, Teams, and Google Meet. It even joins meetings by itself if you want. Otter has 3 plans. The free version gives you 300 minutes per month. That's about 10 hours. The Pro plan costs $17 monthly and bumps you up to 1,200 minutes. The business plan is $30 and gives you 6,000 minutes plus team features. What we love about Otter is that it saves tons of time and there's no more frantic note-taking during calls. The accuracy is solid for clear audio and integration with popular meeting apps works smoothly. The free plan lets you test it without risk. Here's what's not perfect though. Background noises confuse it sometimes. Heavy accents can trip it up and the monthly pricing feels steep compared to yearly plans. It only works with English, Spanish, and French as of this moment. Should you use Otter.ai? If you're in lots of meetings, absolutely, and the time saving alone could make it worth trying. Start with a free plan to see if it fits your needs, and for busy professionals, it is truly a game changer. That's our take on Otter.ai guys. Try it free and see for yourself. Links are in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.